Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you another detailed update from Camp Nou. The stadium is still under construction and the progress is impressive. From the rising third tier to the installation of the ceramic louvres, every section is shaping up beautifully. In this video, we'll also take a look back at yesterday's match, capturing the atmosphere here at Camp Nou during Barcelona's 3-0 victory against Mallorca. We'll show you how the construction areas blend with the matchday experience and highlight all the current updates happening around the stadium. The south goal corner is finally showing visible facade progress after an extended period of preparation. Several individual facade llamas have now been installed near the bracket areas, marking the first real transition from staging to execution in this zone. While a large quantity of llamas remain stacked and ready on site, installation is still limited. Multiple structural beams across the site have now been repainted black, replacing the earlier white finish. This change signals a shift toward finishing and facade-related phases. Workers are actively touching up beams in corner and facade-adjacent areas, preparing surfaces for upcoming installations. The diamond-shaped glass facade of the future cafeteria area is nearing completion. Most glass panels are already installed, with only a small number remaining. Some structural and reinforcement work continues behind the glass, meaning this area is visually advanced but not yet fully finished. Worker activity remains steady as final adjustments continue. The lateral zone material yard is now dominated by compression ring components and roof-related structural elements. The fourth radial beam is staged on site alongside large counterweights and a prepared pillar unit. 3 radial beams are already installed, and the arrival of the next beam positions the project for a major step forward in roof support progression. Large tension rods, known as tyrantes, have been lifted and positioned along the lateral facade, with crane activity focused on alignment and placement precision. These elements highlight that the project is approaching a critical structural assembly phase. At the north goal, construction activity continues despite the bright sunlight making visibility a bit challenging. Multiple elevated platforms are in operation, with workers actively preparing supports for future panel installations. Interior stair zones also show progress, with platforms and materials staged for efficient workflow. Structural work is advancing steadily, with beams, supports, and panels being installed across the zone. Concrete panels for the elevator areas are already in place, while sandwich panels are being prepared for placement. Vertical supports for llamas are being welded and mounted to black beams, setting the stage for upcoming installations. The Tribune section shows moderate but focused activity. Several elevating platforms are in operation, and workers are concentrated in specific areas rather than spread evenly across the zone. Some scaffolding remains temporarily inactive, suggesting sequencing or coordination pauses. The overall pace here is steady but slower compared to other high-priority sections of the stadium. This week's site activity reflects a project operating under mounting schedule pressure. While progress is visible in facade installation, stairwell enclosure, and major structural staging, weather delays and uneven material flow continue to disrupt workflow. Some zones are advancing quickly, while others wait on conditions or components. Coordination between facade, structural, and mechanical works is increasing in complexity as multiple phases overlap. That's the latest construction update from Camp Nou. If this breakdown helped you understand what's really happening on site, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for next update. Thanks for watching.